So this is me driving down a strip that's poorly lit, and you may be able to make out some of the stores, but besides that, there's nothing else that is going to actually give me adequate lighting. I got my high beams going down this particular section over here. There's no lights. Even with the high beams on, the camera isn't picking up much of anything. Granted, if there were some cars on the road, you may be able to see the license plates. I'm not going to include any daytime video or samples in this video because there's plenty of them online. The camera's excellent during the day, but at night it's garbage. And that might sound harsh, but it's useless to me because I'm a nighttime driver. I work overnight, and this is, there's no reason for me to have this. Now, it doesn't have night vision. I don't know what the aperture is for the lens. That Best Buy that I just passed on the right, that's exactly where this is going back to. Now the glare is because I need to clear off my windshield, which I already tried to wipe down. I just tried to wipe down the lens. But irregardless, you're still going to see some glare. This is the back rear camera. I'm passing the Domino's, Standard Tile, McDonald's, car. If you want this for overnight, it's not going to help you. So now I'm going back in the opposite direction from the first clip. You can see some of these cars coming back, or one car coming back in the opposite direction of me. The glare is my windshield. Of course, I'm going to have to clean it. But one thing I do like about this camera is the fact that it actually does have a nice wide view. It's stretching across the windshield pretty well. Now the cons, obviously for $200 there's no night vision, which is ridiculous. The backup camera, it's near useless at night. Now on the box it says it comes with free software. Yes, it does. I tried it on 3 different computers. It always fails. You can upload a video clip to it, but as soon as it tries to register that video clip for you to start editing, the program completely shuts down, and then you're gonna have to force quit it. Yeah, so that's useless. Like I said, for $200, it's not worth it. Save your money, go get something else. Those TV advertisements for Mirror HD that go right over the rearview mirror, I've gotten better video from it. Now the audio quality for this particular unit is pretty good, but yeah, it's not worth it. Save your money.